Good day, everyone. Next, I will answer part 3 of the activity. The advantages of working part-time while we study is to receive money for our expenses. Another advantage is helping our family financially. These advantages of working part-time while we study is that many times we don't know have enough time for all the tasks. My opinion is that an economic benefit should be given to all students from public or private universities. I also think that every day we should have virtual classes for 2 hours and no just to homework.